Fix ChatGPT, your card has been declined. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch any of your web application and get logged into your ChatGPT account. So let's go ahead and get ourselves into the card section. Upgrade your plan, upgrade to Plus. First thing you want to make sure is you have a strong Wi-Fi connection in order to process this transaction. Secondly, make sure that you also have entered correct card information, your CVC, and month and expiration dates. The third thing you want to make sure is you have sufficient balance in your card to pay for the transaction. And after that, if it's still not working for you, then head over to help.openai.com. You will land onto a page like this. Then you will see a chat option. Click onto messages, click onto ask a question, and from here you can simply ask whatever you would like, and that will fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe.